So good day everyone. Let's talk about the Bible verse of do not be afraid, have faith. Mark 5:36. Don't be afraid, just believe. Fear is something we all feel, and sometimes we are afraid many times in our life of what will happen to our future or in our life. But Jesus reminds us that don't be afraid, just believe. When Jesus said this, he was talking to a man who was scared, but Jesus told him not to fear, to have faith. And Jesus brought his daughter to his life. This shows us that nothing is impossible when we believe in God. John 14:1. Do not let your heart be troubled. You believe in God, believe also in me. It means that when we feel scared or lost, we should trust that God is always with us. He will never leave us even when in hard times. Jesus tells us not to let our heart be troubled. He wants us to live peace and believe in Him. Having a faith and trusting in God even when we don't understand what is happening. It means saying, Lord, I don't know what will happen, but I believe you are with me. So, when we feel afraid, stop and praying and choose to trust Him. He will give you peace and strength. Remember, Jesus is always with you. Faith removes your fear. So let us not be afraid. Let us believe and trust in God always.